Hey everyone, welcome back to my next Excel video tutorial on how to summarize data using pivot tables. On my earlier video, I talked about how to summarize data without using pivot tables. So it involved a couple more steps and a couple little tips on how to summarize data, like removing duplicates and using a sum-ifs formula. However, if you know how to use pivot tables, it could save you a lot of time. It could save you as much time as I can just do it in 2 steps. So make sure your selection is within your data, and you're gonna create a pivot table. In Excel, you're gonna select the data ribbon. If you're in PC, you're gonna select the table ribbon, or wherever you create a chart. This is where you can create a data table or a pivot table. Sorry. In Excel, don't press this auto pivot table because it won't summarize data how you like it, and it'll just cause some unwanted loading times. So instead, drop it down to a manual pivot table. I'm going to just put it in the same sheet so we can see it. Okay, so to use pivot tables, it just summarizes a lot of individual rows of data in a way that you want to see it. So it's kind of intuitive once you understand. So whatever you want in your row area, you put in your row labels. So I want my sales reps. Next, you put the data that you want to summarize. So I want to summarize sales. So I'm going to put that in values. And there you go. That's all I need right now. If you have more data, I'm just summarizing this data for the week, and I only have the data for the week. So it's summarizing all the data. But if you just want to summarize a certain section of this data, you can actually drag the field name into a report filter. So by doing that, let's just say I want to summarize the first 2 days and how many sales my sales reps made then. I just have to select those 2 dates, and there you go. That's how it works. 3, there you go, 4, and then the whole week. There it is. So, in what we did in about 4 minutes in my other video, we just did in less than a minute with a pivot table. And again, if you want to check, that's true. You shouldn't really be doing these checks for the pivot tables, just because the pivot table, it's so variable, and sometimes the formula doesn't hold up. So I'm just going to delete that. So yeah, pivot table is very powerful. A lot of people don't understand a lot about them. However, I think I'm gonna have a couple more videos about explaining them a little more in depth. So anyways, there's my follow-up video, how do you summarize data using pivot tables without using pivot tables. And we can just see from the time difference between the videos that using pivot tables, I'll save you a lot more time, save you a lot more clicks, and it'll just make you overall more efficient. So anyways, thank you for watching this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next Excel tutorial. Thanks.